Друзья, это канал Stop Russian. Как у вас дела, как настроение? Напишите в комментариях. Сегодня мы поговорим о родительном падеже. So we will talk about the genitive case in Russian. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and see our social media. First of all, what you need to know about the genitive case are the cases when we use it. So the first of them is possession. When you need to say that something belongs to somebody, you use родительный падеж. Например, компьютер друга, friend's computer, or the computer of my friend. As you see, the genitive case can be translated into English with the use of possessive case or preposition of. Муж моей сестры, my sister's husband. Муж моей сестры занимается спортом. Like an example. Okay, the second case is with the quantities. When we have a quantity like много, мало, немного, нет. These are just few examples of quantities. Of course, you need to use the genitive case, like много ручек, many pens, плитка шоколада, a bar of chocolate. So everything which is connected with the quantities like a loaf, a pack, a package, or a box, like коробка конфет, a box of candy, you will have a genitive case. У меня нет черной ручки. I don't have a black pen, for example. And the third case is after numerals. When you have a number, you need to use a noun in a genitive case. Например, 2 книги, 3 ноутбука, 4 телефона. So after 2, 3, 4, you need to use a noun in singular, not in genitive case. But after 5, 6, 7 and other numerals, you use the noun in plural in genitive case. 5 телефонов, 6 ноутбуков, 7 телефонов. But you see, 4 телефона, not телефонов. And now, at last, how do we form the genitive case? So, you need to bear in mind the gender and the number. So if it's a masculine, feminine, and neuter, or it's singular, plural, and according to that, you have different patterns of the endings which you will need to use to form a genitive case. Now let's see them. So masculine nouns, мужской род, in singular. So if the noun ends with n, you add a, телефон. You remove y, like, and add я, like клея. You remove мягкий знак, портфель, and add я, портфеля. For example, у меня нет телефона. I don't have a phone. And now masculine nouns in plural. You add of to the consonant, телефонов. You remove y and add е, клеев. You remove мягкий знак and add ей, портфелей. But not a bine. After ж, ш, щ, ч, you add ей, not ев. Okay? Oh, not ев, not of. You add ей, нож, ножей. Пример. У моего друга есть много телефонов. Feminine nouns in singular. Женский род, существительный. So we have вода. And then in genitive case it would be воды. So to a you add и. You remove я and add и, like семья, семьи. You remove мягкий знак, like дверь, and add и, двери. Not a bine, of course. After ж, ш, щ, ч, г, к, х, never use и. So that's a spelling rule. So after that you use и. Сумка, сумки, not сумки. That would be strange. Okay. So сумка моей мамы. So to form a feminine noun in plural, you need to remove a, like here, школа, школ. Remove я in кастрюля and add мягкий знак, кастрюль. So if a noun ends with я, you add и, like станция, станции. Remove мягкий знак and add ей, дверь, дверей. And not a bine. If you have a consonant cluster, like a mk, chk, zhk, zhk, and so on, you need to add a vowel. So a, o, ye, or yo. Like here in example, сумка, сумок. You wouldn't say sumk. but difficult to pronounce. And here an example. В городе есть 100 школ. And at last, neuter nouns. Средний род существительных. So in singular, you need to remove or and add a. Яблоко. Здание. You remove е and add я. Здания. You remove я, like here, and you add ени, имени, времени. У меня нет времени, много работы. I don't have time, much work to do. And here, neuter nouns in plural. So remove or, and you get the genitive. Яблок, мест. But notably, again, about consonant cluster, you need to add or е. Like окон, you get here, so to make it easier to pronounce. Remove е and add е. Здание and add е. Зданий. For example, все места раскуплены, мест нет. So all the places are sold out, no places left. Okay guys, so that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned about the genitive case. Yeah, and see our social media and follow us and subscribe us. I would really appreciate it. And guys, bye bye. See you in the next video.